In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user in Wrike. This process is straightforward but essential for managing your team's access and ensuring that only the right people have entree to your project spaces. So if you've ever needed to remove a user, follow along with these steps. First, to get started, you'll want to log into your Wrike account. If you aren't already logged in, simply head over to the login page. Once you're there, you'll see a couple of options to sign in. Choose the Google option if you have your Wrike account linked to a Google account. When you click on it, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Go ahead and select the one associated with your Wrike profile. After you're logged in, look towards the top left corner of the page. You'll spot your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This is sort of like your gateway to account settings and provides access to numerous user functionalities. So it's a handy place to get familiar with if you aren't already. Once you've clicked on your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to click on the Settings option. This will navigate you to the settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Wrike account. Here you'll find options related to account management, notifications, and user control. Next, you'll want to find the section labeled Users. Click on this link and it will direct you to a list of all users that currently have access to your Wrike account. It's the central hub for managing user permissions and seeing who currently has active roles in your projects. Now scroll through the list and locate the user you want to remove. Once you've found them, it's as simple as clicking on their name to highlight or select them. This step is crucial as selecting the correct user is paramount to avoid any mistakes. Always double check to make sure you're interacting with the right account. Finally, with the user selected, look for an option that says Delete from Account. Go ahead and click on it. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking you to confirm that you want to remove this user, which helps prevent accidental deletions. Confirm your choice and just like that, the user will no longer have access to your Wrike account. And that wraps up how to delete a user in Wrike. It's a quick process that helps you maintain control over your working environment. Thanks for following along, and remember to keep your workspace organized and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more useful content.